heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
This is my first cast. What's going down, dude? BJ's? Yeah, they are. Oh yeah, we're on. Trout, it's what's for dinner. Woo! Dang, dude. Just did some fishing at the lake, came back and ate some dinner, and now it's time to hit the sack. And day one is over. See you guys tomorrow. Saturday morning and we just woke up, but it is too cold outside, so we're gonna hang out in our tents until it gets a little warmer, until the sun comes out, and then we'll start our day. It's still super cold outside. It's not looking good for today with the weather, but starting off by making some tent tea. We finally made it out of our tents today. It's still freezing cold and super windy out here, but we're gonna get some breakfast in us and try and start our day. See what we can do in this weather. So it's still pretty cold. It's actually hailing on us right now, which I'm pretty pumped on. It's a lot better than it raining on us. But we're gonna go give lake number 1 another crack and try and catch us some big trout.
I get a little bit breathless, my thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's raining down, baby.
All right, so we're here at the first lake. The day is turning out to be quite nice. The sun's out, warming up. We started fishing and we got the first fish of the day. It's a nice brown trout. It's gonna be a good one.
But I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it.
All right, so we've been fishing here for about a little over an hour, and we decided we're gonna move camp from where we're at down closer to this lake because the wind and just the weather is a lot better down here a little bit. So we're gonna go pack up all the shit and move our campsite, and then we're gonna come back out and start fishing again.
We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors, I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time.
All right, we're back out here on the lake now. We got our camp all set up, had some lunch. Now we're back out here trying to catch some trout.
Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire.
We started the day out not being able to get out of our tents because it was too cold. Now we just jumped in the freezing lake, and it felt amazing. Fishing was a little slower today, but it was still caught some fish. Still a great day out on the lake. We just got done fishing and had some dinner, and we were gonna plan on hanging out and chilling for the night, but it is freezing cold and the wind is very intense. So we are all gonna call it night early and go hide in our tents. So